What's up, my pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to go over this 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch USB-C and USB-A dock from the folks at Dockteck. This is a great way if you have an older hard drive or you just want to throw in your 2.5-inch SSD to be able to plug it in and play as it may through USB Type-C. It's got this vertical insertion design, be able to allow you to access 2.5-inch hard drives up to 8 terabytes or 3.5-inch up to 20 terabytes. There's LED indicators as well as SATA support for these external hard drives for your PC, your Mac, your computer as it is. With that said, the folks at Dockteck provided me complimentary and sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it does help with the channel. But this is available on Windows and Mac OS respectively. Let's go ahead and unbox this and show you what you get yourself into. I've got a couple of older drives that I want to get access to, and having this awesome dock here from Dockteck is great. It does allow up to 5 megabits a second here with compatibility of the 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch hard drives respectively. Unboxing here, you have all the cables and instructions necessary. As you can see here, it does have a power cord that you need to plug into. USB 3.0 to micro USB here with the added extra connector, making it up to 3.0 and 5 gigabits a second read-write speeds. Let's go ahead and pull out the dock itself. I really like how the chassis is made out of metal material. Here are your ports on the back side, on and off switch, as well as your power. On the other end, you've got your LED as well as the dock for your 2.5 and 3.5-inch respectively. Let's go ahead on location and show you what this looks like here in practice. Okay, we're here on location. I've got obviously the USB-C cable and the cable that's going to connect into the dock. My Mac Mini only accepts USB Type-C, so we're using their adapter. It's really easy, plug and play. Go ahead, I've got my power plugged in, plug in the cable in the back of the Mac Mini, and it's just basically plug and play. First, I'm going to start with my 3.5-inch. This one is just a plug and play here as well. Go ahead and place it in there. Now that we've got it installed, now I'm going to go ahead and press the power button. The light turns on, and now we're ready to go ahead and pull up the data here from our hard drive. The flashing light indicates that it's reading. You can see on the desktop, it shows up untitled. Here's my hard drive. Shows you it's got 200 gigs, 122 left. I used to have this on Windows, and I have some of my old program files and files on my desktop that I use. There's some old videos that I'm able to pull off here that I haven't seen in a long time. That's really fun. Having some of these videos from Christmas when I was with my brothers. They were all backed up on this hard drive. Once you're ready to eject it, you just hit the eject button, eject all. It's ejected. We can go ahead and take it out. It's not running. And then I'm going to turn it off. We can go ahead now and put in my SSD. It fits in that slot very conveniently. Power's on immediately, and then it'll take a second to recognize it. Within seconds, it immediately recognizes it. There it is. It looks like this hard drive is completely full to 0.5 terabyte. There was a backup here of Windows. We can show you the write speeds here, copying the files from the hard drive. You can go ahead and put them here into downloads, showing you how fast they're already starting to move. 300 megabytes is like 10 seconds. It's super fast. I'm really pleased to be able to have this hard drive connected or to have this 2.5-inch connected as well. It's very straightforward, plug and play, but it's so nice. It's robust and it holds up either unit on your desk respectively. With that said, the folks at Dockteck did provide us to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out. It helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.